CEOs in London, you're getting it.
Literally.
CEOs in London, you're getting it.
Another week is among us. Oh, wait, nah, fuck that. You know what? I'll keep that in. Embarrassing. Embarrassing start to the video. We are in Manchester. We're in Manchester. We're meeting the boys. The boys, the brothers, the biggest brothers in the property investment industry. Leon and Kyle. And we're having a co-working day. We're bouncing ideas off each other. We're helping each other because they do packaging and I want to help them with that. And they have a lot of value to give me as well. So we help each other. And because moving up to the Greater Manchester area later this year, I'm wanting to get more information about the area because there's nothing like boots on the ground, people who have been raised in the areas, nothing like information from them because they'll tell you, like, look, listen, someone on that street's been stabbed. The light agent's not going to tell you that. The estate agent's not going to tell you that. You know what I mean? Like, this street's a write-off, and it's only happened in the last few months. So, like, you got to be very thorough with your due diligence and just ask for honest opinions because then they'll be like, no, that street's actually really good. Or that postcode's really good. That town is really good. You know, it's a bit of a untapped market. So it's interesting to hear people's thoughts. And I spent the weekend building more systems, refining the systems for Think Property, doing the email marketing, sent my first newsletter. If you want to join that newsletter, the link is below. And by link, I mean click on like the checklist. Get something free out of it because it's an exchange of value, right? Although the newsletter is valuable, I want you to get something free as well out of it. And may that be a checklist, or if you're in the HMOs, a valuation pack. You might be getting a commercial valuation coming up. The valuer might be coming out. The valuation pack will help you. Literally just use it and you'll see that it might get a little bit of a higher valuation. No guarantees, but it's happened for me. Every time, bar one. And on that one, we've got like 2 or 3 grand less below. So it's not really a big difference, like 1%. So anyway, short intro. I'll cut to the boys and I have no idea what the fuck's gonna happen. We're going to Dakota and they say this is a bougie place, a posh bougie place. Can I whip out the camera there? I don't know, I don't care. I've got fucking cargos on. I don't care, be fine, be sound. Bit nervous, but we're good. See you there.
If you've got a LinkedIn profile, baby, you're getting connected with.
Yeah, he's gonna find you like.
Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe.
If you're early birds as well,
That's me 30 done for the day.
So you're doing 30 a day now?
Yeah, I say 10, but it's just so easy to do 20 more. You might as well do 20 more, innit? If they're going to let me do it, I'll do it.
God. Give an example of what sort of person you look for.
So today I just came on and I thought, you know, CEOs in London, you're getting it.
Literally.
CEOs in London, you're getting it. So I just literally came on. I need to update my pro, to be honest. Came on, filter, and then you just kind of United Kingdom, London. If you want any of these, yeah, you know, maybe take them, financial, blah blah blah. For me, I just wanted CEOs speak English so they can reply to me, and then show results. Connect with them tomorrow. Everyone who's accepted my connection will get a DM. Hey babe, how are you? Got an investment opportunity here.
That's it. This is it and that's that.
Yes, team, we've hijacked Scott's camera. Now, what I want to say to you boys, I want to give some advice to you girls and boys out there. No matter what stands in your way, overcome it. We're going to face obstacles in this life. You've got to challenge them. You've got to break through them. If you quit at the first hurdle, you'll never get to where you want to be. I don't want to ramble on for too long, I just want to leave it short and sweet. Any obstacle you're facing right now, you can either quit or you can get around it. What are you going to do? What's on the other side of that hurdle? That's what I want to know, and that's what you need to find out. See you in a bit, team.
If you want to see what it looks like behind the scenes of a Property Bros YouTube vid, wee man over here.
give us some information today, Cam. What's the word of the day? Word? Knowledge. That's the word.
Alright, KSI.
Spell it. He's still recording.
Yeah, of course I am.
Knowledge.
Why is your camera like recording me fucking bulge?
It's got
Oh, he's got a wide angle lens. Ooh, bike there. No one told me either.
What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do when a deal takes so long to complete that everything's gone up about 6 or 7%?
What's that on, mate?
So a deal that we're working on is taking that long to complete. Everything this year, all the materials and such have gone up. What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor?
Do nothing. You pay it and do as you're told, I guess. Karen, you got that on charge, mate?
Yeah, mate. I put the numbers into the calculator, and the numbers do still work. Alright, brother, bye. I do like Tom.
Who?
Tom.
Who?
I can see me wanting to JV with him in the future, to be fair.
Tommy.
Tom, fuck it'll do you. So when people say Scott who? Scott, fuck it'll do you.
Say Scott T.
Who played this guy? I'm going to put an offer in. Hi Tracy, it's Scott McPherson here. I viewed one of your properties on Saturday. Yeah, I was just wondering if I could put an offer in on that property, if that's okay. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing back then. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye. You were saying you were doing something that to you is obvious, but to me it's blown my mind because I'm from Scotland, aka Narnia, aka everyone up there has hooves for feet.
Yes,
So show the people what it is.
So all I was doing, guys, is now I'm looking at this property here. We're not going to pursue it, so you can look at the details. It doesn't work for us. But as you can see, there's no floor plan. But it does have 2 reception rooms, so it does fit our criteria. So after looking through it, what I wanted to see was, for me personally, does this have a double outrigger? Do they even know about double outriggers on this channel?
I've mentioned it like 100 times, but you never know. Someone new might be on here.
Double outrigger, you know, bathroom at the back. Kitchen, yeah, this is double outrigger. This is double outrigger, yeah? Kitchen, bathroom above. That gives us space to do a L-shaped dormer. So what I want to see from this property is, does it have a double outrigger? And obviously from this image I can see it doesn't. It is extended all the way to the rear, but it doesn't have one of these bad boys.
So what the mind-blowing part was, it's Google Earth.
It's Google Earth.
I thought Google Earth went out of fucking style.
Just
But I
simple
didn't.
stuff.
It's the 3D stuff that's caught me off guard. 'Cause
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
been looking at all of this 2D stuff like on Property Engine. But that 3D stuff gives you such a good feel. Like, you can see that's like a flat roof, whereas you might not notice that when you're looking on here. If there's no photos of the back garden.
Yeah, if you
might
get
not notice that, like,
close enough. Oh, sometimes.
I didn't realise it went that close.
Yeah. You can get close on here. You can get close.
Recording?
No?
You should be.
Why? What's he done? Big Scotty T, yeah.
Scotty M, Scotty T.
Such a dick. Is that what you do in your time? Is that the photo of me today? Such a dick. I thought I looked good in it.
been fatter doing it as soon as I edited.
So your brother's out there working, crafting, getting the money in. You're doing that. Such a dick.
Raised 50k.
Last week's target. That is very close. We've got to follow up with a few people this week. We're going to follow up with them tomorrow.
Because you're getting a lot of offers accepted fast. Have you started like putting in the infrastructure for when that happens? Like, by infrastructure, I mean like the systems and stuff. When that happens, yeah.
In terms of what?
Like, for example, like you're going to have like a lot of floor plans come simultaneously. You're going to have like a lot of
so on Trello.
reminders, emails,
It's all
a lot of
Trello.
stuff. Yeah.
Everything is put on the Trello
yeah.
on the different houses and that.
Yeah.
So it's all tracked there, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's all on that.
So each individual property has its own set.
Yeah.
So like all the information that we get, from sales to
Everything, like email
everything,
addresses, yeah.
all
So
goes
notice
into there.
throughout the build, like that's when you refer to it so much. And
Yeah.
having that now is so fucking good because in the build it'll be like doing like an
Stressful, yeah.
application form, and you want to be able to just find it like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Go on, you give a lesson. It's what you learned last week.
Oh, a lesson that I've definitely learned is build your systems because when something breaks, you can fix it. So like I was thinking, see all the systems that I built for like email marketing and lead generation and stuff. I was thinking I could pay someone off like Fiverr to do this, but what I wanted to do is just mainly do it myself. So when something breaks, when I train like a VA, when I train someone to do it, I can then fix it and just swoop in and fix it. So it's a short-term pain for long-term gain. It's not really like a motivational lesson, but like, see when something breaks, you want to be able to swoop in and fix it. Do the work so when it breaks, you can fix it. When it breaks, it will break. Problems will come up, and you've got to be able to know how to fix it rather than freaking out.
There's no fucking luck involved, people. We fucking put the work in.
If there's anything I've learned, whenever you think you're working hard, you look at these two and you're like, shit.
And if he carries on.
I'm definitely cutting that out, you cringy bastard. So for your newsletter, what's the process of that? Can that be refined? Or is it just simple? Can you automate it? Can you set up ManyChat where you put on your Instagram story, reply with checklist, and we'll send a checklist, they type checklist. It then gets funneled into their information gets stored, and the newsletter sequence kicks off with your newsletter. And then
It's more of a regional basically, so like based on.
is it north? Yeah, what kind of newsletter is it?
It's like
Property northwest.
So it's like very informative, like
It's like our area.
adding value.
what sort of audience are going to want to read that? Investors? Or aspiring investors? Or
Anybody that's interested in property in North.
so those people are going to want a property viewing checklist. They're going to want some sort of tools that they can use.
You know what I could do? I could make top 5 areas to invest in the Northwest.
You want? Yeah, you could
That's
do it.
perfect.
See the lead magnets I like. See when I get see that Lutz one. That was a lead magnet, right? I was able to go straight to Canva, use it, instant satisfaction. I was instantly happy with the person that made them, and it made my life better within minutes. So you could create something that calculators that you use, or your Trello checklists, valuation packs, anything. Like you could do loads of things. Fair one. How many reels would you make? 3. What's that?
No, I do
3 minutes.
Do 30 a day.
3 minutes.
Do the whole month in one day. Do the whole month when it's done then. Like, we like to be a month ahead. When we're doing our videos, we'd always be a month ahead.
Yeah.
We say we'd always
post
try
it,
to.
they're wearing the same clothes for a month.
Yeah, there's a phase on my profile where I just have my white jumper on the whole time.
Yeah.
Because there's so much content in it.
Yeah, we tried
And
to change.
You posted a picture the other day and you had no hair. I actually thought you'd like change your hair.
That's the problem. That's when I went at 2 lads.
Really?
Like, subscribe, and peace.
There we go. That's good. That means I don't have to do my bloody anything else at the end.